Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you a best trading platform called Bbox. Bbox is actually a platform for crypto traders. If you are a crypto trader and looking for a medium to buy and sell your coins, Bbox is the right platform for you. So this is a first AI digital asset trade platform, secure, trustworthy, and 24/7 service. You can go to trade here. It is available for app, Play Store. You can also download it from here, API, and more downloads are also available. Here are some corporations, $1 million for trading pioneers, and many other announcement options. Here you can see the token gainers, mainstream, the prices, change, volume, trading volume details, and you can also trade them. Here you can search the token also. Here you can see it. Here is K-line chart, beginner's guide, help center, basic knowledge, and many other options. Here are best Bbox product features like spot trading, leverage trading, future trading. You can also trade on Bbox anywhere using its mobile application, and you can also check its community, Bbox Academy and Business Corporation. So if you guys click on the link in the description box and sign up your account from here, you can get the additional rewards from here. So just go to the link and click on it. I'll show you how to create an account by using this link. If you click on this, here you can see the referral code will automatically show here. You just need to put your email ID here. Here you can see I am writing my email ID here. Then choose a correct password for you. Click on this sign up link and then click on send code. You will get a code on your email ID. You just have to put it here. I have already registered my account here, so I have to log in this one. I have already logged in here. Here you can see. Now I show you how to trade on it and how you can get the rewards of its November's anniversary. They are distributing many rewards and many activities like this where you can participate and win the rewards. Here you can see you can click on this market option to trade in it, and then you can choose your currency, latest currency, popular search. Here you can see exchange, margin, future section. You can choose the trading here. If I want to trade this XLM, here you can see I click on it. Here you can see the other coins, and here is the amount you can see here. You can also buy XLM and sell XLM. Here you can also set the price and set your order here. You can, if you want to buy the XLM of $100, you can write it here, and then XLM amount will automatically appear here, and then you can click on buy XLM. Similarly, if you want to sell XLM, you have to enter the price of USDT, how much USDT you want to sell the XLM and how much XLM you want to sell. You can also limit the order here. You can also set it as stop, profit and loss, iceberg order, follow and advanced limit. Here you can also check the bot. So you can also trade here in many other pairs, like you can also trade in the margin trading here, like you can see. Similarly, you have to read the agreement here, activate margin trading options. You can also trade here in margin trading and in futures trading also. So if I click on this bell icon, here you can see the announcement options. There are many announcements like Qatar World Cup, why the ball quiz and virtual coins. Here is many rewards for its 5th anniversary 2022 Qatar World Cup, why the ball quiz and win virtual coins. Here you can see it is valid from 1st December to 19th December. During the event, users who have transaction records on the day can bet on the results of game on that day and for the team they support. There are 3 game result options for each game. The outcome is already divided, the 2 sides are tied, and the delay is cancelled. Here you can see all the rules, and you can also fill this registration form, predict the results of game and place bet on the results. the single game, the final result of a single UID is the first. Here you can see you have to all rewards will be distributed within 7 working days after the event ends. Winners can log into Bbox account, wallet, build reward center to view his rewards. Here you can see you just have to enter your UID. Here you can see your sportive team. You have to choose your sportive team. Here you have to fill all the questions and click on this submit button. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button. So I hope you must register from my referral link to get the additional rewards, and you are must create here. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.